Today, we are going to look at two ways of forming simple sentences for IELTS and PTE writing. The first one is by using the past participle form of the verb. In this, we show two actions are happening simultaneously, and they can also be used when you want to say that they took place in succession. For instance, frightened by the thunder, our dog hid under the couch. Frustrated by the long hold, Noah hung up the phone. I, excited about her holidays, packed warm clothes. Annoyed, Willow expressed her opinion. Accompanied by her aunt, Harriet went shopping. Encouraged by his wife, Tarkin persevered. Exhausted, Harper took a break from work. Another way of writing a simple sentence is by using the present participle form of the verb. For example, running down the street, a dog chases a squirrel. The word chase shows that the entire sentence is in past tense. More examples: Genevieve, cycling down the highway, met with an accident. Theodore, feeling sympathy for Darrell, offered some help. Not knowing what to do, Beatrice called her mom up. I, being an Indian, don't understand French.